The Australian government is making solar energy more accessible for apartment residents in NSW through the Solar for Apartment Residents (SoAR) grant. This initiative is a game changer for apartment owners and tenants, providing funding to install shared rooftop solar systems on multi-unit dwellings. Australia leads the world in rooftop solar adoption, but 1 in 3 households, especially those in apartments, have been left out due to shared roof ownership complexities. Currently, less than 2% of NSW apartment buildings have solar panels. The SoAR initiative aims to change this by offering 50% co-funding, up to $150,000 per project, making clean energy more accessible to apartment residents. Residents can cut up to $600 annually on electricity costs while property values increase due to the addition of solar systems. Solar panels also help reduce reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to a greener future. Once installed, solar panels require little upkeep, and owners' corporations can see a return on investment in under 10 years. The owner's corporation or a strata managing agent, with authorization of an eligible multi-unit dwelling, 3 to 55 units, can apply. Individual apartment residents cannot apply directly, but should encourage their strata managers to take advantage of this opportunity.